guys, welcome to Sunnfun 2022. We're going to go over a few fun facts in this video. If you get your tickets online, you will save about $5. You come over here to the left and get your e-ticket office. No, if you go over there, they're not giving out the packets or the maps. So you have to come over here to the regular ticket office to get that. Let's go inside, check it out. This is the main entry right behind us. They're just checking to make sure you get a wristband. They are not checking bags, so we brought in some of our own beverages and stuff like that. Also, upon admission, you can save a couple dollars if you are part of a aircraft association. So like you say, the AOPA or anything like that. They also don't verify if you are an actual member, but you can save a couple dollars at the ticket office or online if you say you are a member for that as well. First come in and be sure not to miss the workshops here on the left. So they have fabric covering, welding, sheet metal, mechanic, and metal shavings, welding. So some of that stuff, if you're interested in working on your own plane, this could be a great opportunity for you to kind of check out and play with, maybe take home a couple tips, learn some stuff that most people would look up. We came here yesterday, walked right past it, didn't even take a look, but there's actually a lot of cool stuff here that you can play around with. So one of the cool things is you can bring your chairs, your umbrellas, your tents. Set out here by the runway, watch the air show. As you can see, it is pretty overcast today. I know yesterday they pushed the show back. Listed below in the link is the show schedule, so you can go check that out. But be prepared to be flexible. Previously, they did not allow alcohol at this, and now there are a handful of alcohol vendors. So that is be mindful. Also, like I said, you can bring a bag of your own snacks and food in here. They seem to be pretty flexible about that. So far we're having a great time. We're going to continue to go check out some more airplanes. You have to make sure to stop by the Diamond Aircraft section just off the runway. The Diamond DA50 RG here is just a showstopper. Like, seeing it in person, photos and videos do not do this thing justice. Let's go take a look inside this beautiful, beautiful airplane.
Oh, my bad, dude.
You're good, you're good. This thing is incredible. 300 horsepower Continental. This thing looks like a freaking race car. Make sure you want to stop by the AOPA tent. We have Eric here with AOPA. Tell us what you can win.
This Grumman Tiger, we've got this, giving it away this visit AOPA.org/sweeps for the full rules and everything, but AOPA members are automatically entered, and if you've got a life membership or on automatic renewal, then you get 5 additional entries for 6 total.
Awesome. So make sure you stop by, and do know that your service can be terrible here, so make sure to take care of any of that stuff online. Yesterday we came, I couldn't get service, so I had to go home and go do it at the hotel, but definitely want to check it out. Thanks, Andrew.
Yeah, you bet.
Have to stop by the Dyer booth, the 960. Look at this. That thing is mean. Let's go look inside here. Bose is running an event special of 10% off your second or more headset. So after you buy one, any additional headset, you'll get 10% off all of the purchases. So if you need a new headset, make sure to stop by. The Velocity station, they have the V-Twin Experimental. They also have their, I don't know what this guy's called. Love this tan leather in here. Almost reminds me of like a King Ranch. Awesome wood grain. Just a beautiful plane. It really is. Red really kind of reminds me of like a sports car. Super cool to come out here and check out the military aircrafts, and new and old. This is a United States Air Force C-17. It's incredible, the technology, the engineering. I mean, it's a giant shade. Yo, how tall are you?
5'7".
5'7". You're standing straight up. Can you reach your hands straight up? That thing is unreal. Upon leaving the C-17 and across, looking at the beautiful Cirrus Aircraft booth. They have the SR-22 to the right and the Vision Jet G2. Seeing it in person, unreal. You go. Make sure to bring your wine glass, your fancy boots, your fancy shoes when you come over here. If you don't have your Louis Vuitton bag or Gucci bag, they ain't gonna talk to you. I'm just kidding. I don't know that. This Honda Jet today has one of the most expensive paint jobs. That's a paint, not wrap. They said that they're getting ready to announce at Oshkosh a new paint job.
What it is when you stall it, you get such a loping with the prop that the canopies sit there and shake like crazy.
tons of food options. I think everything is pretty reasonably priced. So we're getting ready to head out. I wanted to come back and check out the Vashon Rangers right here behind us. They started about $130,000. Yesterday it came with my CFI. This plane is literally, I mean, it's incredible for the money, for what you can get. It's the most bang for your buck. The owner, the creator of this, is about 6'5" guy, and the amount of room that you have in this, I mean, it's incredible, capable. It's a capable airplane, decked out with Dynon avionics. It's funny, we ran into a famous YouTuber, Mike, Mojogrip, you may know him by, but he was just standing right here checking them out as well. I don't know, for me, it's gonna be my first airplane. Like, I'm gonna order this plane, $5,000 deposit, they're about a year out. Out of all the planes here, for me and my mission and what I'm capable. The cool thing about this plane is you can lay the seats down flat. There's about 7 feet, 6.5 feet long in it, so you can camp inside the plane. Famous Icon A5 here, float plane. One of the cool things, you have this large open deck here so you can stand on. None of the other float planes have that. It's just a beautiful plane. Cool thing I didn't notice before is it has this tail rudder right here. That's it. That's a wrap. Sunnfun 2022 Tuesday. We only planned on staying one day. This is my first time here. We spent a whole 2 days here. It's now 4 o'clock on Tuesday. I wish I was not leaving. I wish I had a camper, another hotel, or something. I wish I could stay. Very new to the aviation industry, so forgive me for my ignorance. I don't know a lot about all these planes, but I just want to take you guys along, show you what you're missing, or show you what to expect this year as you come. Yesterday I walked 17,000 steps. Today I don't even know how many steps, and I barely watched the air show. Like, I need a whole nother day just to sit down and watch the air show. Hopefully by next year we have the seasons bus done. So if you want to follow along with that journey, subscribe, then you can watch our bus come along, and hopefully next year you can find us. You can watch the journey through the whole year, and we'll be camping here next year. Maybe next year I'll have a plane with the bus. I don't know, we'll see. But go ahead and give us a subscribe, like, follow, and hopefully we'll see you next year.